YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360JEEZY. Today in this video, I'm gonna do a review on the cordless Andis T outline, all right? I know y'all been waiting for that, all right? I took so long on the review basically because, you know, I didn't want to just rush out and try the clipper without testing it out and giving you guys my honest review. So it took me a minute. I got it like 3 weeks ago when I was at the Bronner Brothers hair show. So thank you guys for being patient, but stay tuned. It's going down. 360JEEZY'S. Alright you guys, I'm finna open this up and show you guys what's in the box. But I already opened it up, I already know what's in here. And as you can see, you got your Andis Cordless T outliners. Man, these are clean. These are real nice. As you guys can see, I switched the blade. I got the GTX blade on them, the deep tooth blade. I really just do not like the regular blade. Right here is the stand. It says Andis with the silver plate on it, and in the back it got the outlet to where you could plug it in. This looks real dope. Let me put this thing back down and open this up, see what's behind here. Alright, you got your Andis instructional booklet document type thing. I don't know, I don't never read that. Let me get this box, let me see what's inside here. And in here it looks like you got your Andis cords. This is the cord to charge it. And you got your oil. My bad, it dropped. You got your oil and your guards right here. And I'm just gonna put everything back and just get into this review. Alright YouTube, here is the portion of the review where I give my pros, my cons, what I think about the clipper. And first, I'm gonna start off with the design. Now, as far as the design of the clipper, I love it. I felt like they kept it true to the original Andis T outliner, you know what I mean? They added a couple of new features on it. As far as the design, they got a little bit longer at the bottom so you could put the plug in. I think they, you know, made that so that you can leave room for, you know, the whole cordless plug-in aspect of the clipper. Also in the front, they add LED kind of lights to where, you know, when it's charging, it lights up. I thought that was cool. As far as anything else though, they kept it true to what the originals look like. Now let's talk about the blade and what you need to do to switch it out. So as far as taking off this blade, what you're gonna need to do is take off these two screws. So as you can see, it looks like the Slimline Pro LIs. When you take the Slimline Pro LIs apart, comes with this little plastic piece on the cutting blade, and really all you need to do is take this plastic piece off. It isn't like you can't, you know, take it off. You know, it comes apart. All you do is attach it to the one that you want to put it on, and it clips right on, and you know, put it back on. It's really simple, really easy. Like the inside looks like this, just like the Slimline Pros. You just clip it on, make sure the hole is in the plastic piece, put it back on, screw it in, and you're done. So as far as exchanging the blade, put in whatever blade that you want, as long as it's an Andis blade, GTX blade, or whatever blade, T-outliner blade, whatever blade it is, it doesn't matter. It can do it. You just have to exchange plastic piece and put it on there. And also adjusting the blade is the same way. Adjusting the blade, taking off the screws, as far as the blade goes, it's the same. So we're gonna do a little sound test. So also another thing that I want to tell you guys about this clipper is that when you first get it and you turn it on, it's going to be a little stiff right here, but that goes down as you use the clipper and how many times you switch it on, switch it off. That the wear and tear on it wears it down. So it's when you first get it, you actually want it to be stiff. You don't want it to be real loose. So when you guys pick these up, just know that it is a little stiff right here, but it loosens up with time. Let me also give you guys a comparison between the two clippers here. To be honest with you guys, I am so happy that they even came out with these cordless clippers. I mean, you're not confined to a cord. You could move around the client free, free of cords. Just the whole, the whole motion of cutting hair, it just makes it a lot easier for us barbers to just get around the head and cut with ease. So that's basically the look of the clipper, the tech behind it. So let's get into how they hit. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, we are back. That's how they hit, that's how they work. You guys let me know in the comment section below how you feel about how they hit. In my opinion, they hit just as good as the Slimline Pro LIs, all right? I compare them to those clippers because I use them both and they both give me that same feel. You know what I mean? I'm glad that they actually came out with this clipper and made it into the shape, had the wide blade on there, and I'm just so happy that they actually did this. You know what I mean? That's like the fast feeds coming out with a cordless clipper. It would be epic, okay? Epic. All right, you guys, the moment you probably been waiting on is the cons of this clipper, all right? And I'm gonna give you guys a little story real quick. I went and picked these up from the Bonner Brother Hair Show, flew out there for this very reason. Not necessarily, all right? We went out there for products too, but listen, when I tell you, all right, I was in line early, all right? And I wanted to get these clippers, and I was about the 10th person that picked up their pair. I ended up getting two for $200 a piece. Listen, I was happy to pay the $200. Don't get me wrong. It wasn't the $200. I wasn't really. I came off the $200, actually $400 because I got two pair. I came off the $200. It wasn't until I got back to the shop. So fast forward, I come back to the shop, I take them out of the box, I try them for the first time. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I was mad the entire day, all right? George, Memo, they all could vouch for me. I was mad the entire day. Don't talk to me. Okay, don't talk to me. Now, the reason why I was mad, it was because at the time when I was cutting with them, I just didn't feel like they were $200 worth. It wasn't cutting as good. It wasn't, I just couldn't get them to work how I wanted them to work, all right? And the videos you guys see me use, those are well after, you know, that day. You know, after that day, I warmed up to them. I softened my heart. My heart was at ease because they actually started working. Cause in my hearts of hearts, you guys gotta understand that my expectation for $200 for these clippers, my expectation was for them to be like these corded ones, right? That's where my expectations was when you say $200. Now, I'm not trying to sound cheap or anything, but let's just do the math real quick. Andis T outliner costs 60 bucks, right? 60 bucks, that's understandable. You get one, okay? You get one, 60 bucks. Understandable. Let's go get another corded Andis T outliner, another 60 bucks, okay? Now you're about at 120, okay? You got two outliners, okay, for 120, okay? Let's just say that. Then you say, you know what? Let's go get another corded Andis T outliner for another 60 bucks. Now you're at 190.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You're not even close. I mean, you kind of are close to picking these up. You're that much more closer to pick these up. And you could have gotten 3 corded Andis T outliners. That's my only con of this clipper. $200? I mean, double the price. I get it, double the price. But $200?
That's a lot of money.
$200?
That's a lot of money.
At the end of the day, you guys, don't get me wrong. These are some good clippers. Hands down, good clippers. But $200?
That's a lot of money.
But I guess that's the price you pay when, you know, you're a barber and you want what you want. You know, we've been wanting this for a while now, okay? We've been wanting the cordless T outliner for a minute, and now it looks like we're getting what we asked for. You just gotta pay a little bit more for the things that you want. But I got a theory about these two clippers that I'm gonna make in another video, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and also a comparison on these two clippers here. You don't want to miss it. The T-blade on the bevel blade versus the T-blade on the Andis Cordless T outliner. Hey, but shout out to Andis Clipper Company for coming out with this clipper right here. This is a must get in the barber community. If you got the money to spend, I'm telling you right now, spend it. It's well worth it, but $200 is a little steep, but I'm really happy that I got it, honestly. But that is the end of the video. I hope you guys like my honesty. I'm really happy that, you know, I'm really able to give you guys my honest opinion, being that I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm just, you know, I'm just able to cop and do what I want. So I hope you guys really love my honest opinion on these clippers. But if you like this review, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that that subscribe button to get any clipper that you've seen in this video. Make sure you check out the link in the description below. I'm not sure if this clipper is out yet. You guys can check out Andis Clipper's website. The link to that website will be in the description below, but I'm not sure if these are out yet. But it's your boy 360JEEZY, and I'm out of here. Cheers!